iPhone X review. The iPhone X is kind of intense. To start, it wants to make more eye contact than I'm comfortable with. I'm willing to overlook this to have its small, powerful cameras in my back pocket. Apple, latest iPhone, which hit stores on Friday, introduces some of the biggest changes to its smartphone line since it was first launched 10 years ago. Gone is the home button that doubled as a fingerprint sensor. It's replaced with face detection and new gestures for getting around. The screen itself pushes much closer to the edges of the device, and the camera is fantastic. I've been using and testing the iPhone X all week, but more than any other iPhone upgrade, it takes some getting used to. Apple has changed the way key features work, primarily to cram more screen onto a small phone. It also cranked up the price tag to $999 for the 64GB model, and $1,149 for the 256GB version.